is far better than Instagram because YouTube has more reach than Instagram, and like YouTube Shorts has more reach than Instagram Reels, and YouTube pays directly to the creators, which Instagram doesn't.
I don't think so that the reach of YouTube is more than the Instagram reach.
You
because
can check.
I can check. I know. That's why I'm talking about it.
I
Instagram.
also know. It's the data of Google
I
that
tell you.
YouTube Shorts has more reach than Instagram Reels.
I tell you that nowadays what has happened, the screen time of every person has decreased. That's why many of the people, they avoid to use YouTube, and they are they have shifted on the Instagram. That's why the reach of Instagram has increased. Many of the influencers, they are earning by making just 15 or 30 seconds of videos. That's why influencer, they are also earning more than the YouTube. It was the time of YouTube that they used to, many of the people, they used to kind of, I would say, they were addicted to the YouTube. But now the time has changed, everything has changed. Now they are addicted to the social media.
Yeah, that's bad thing that they are addicted to Instagram, because addiction is not good, and that's why I think Instagram is, and the first of all, that data you talked about is it's Google current data that YouTube Shorts has more reach than Instagram Reels.
Google is not.
And first of all, Instagram doesn't pay every creator, which YouTube can pay. If you have 1,000 subscribers, so you can get paid by YouTube, but Instagram doesn't pay you directly.
It's not about that. If you have 1,000 subscribers, so you will directly be paid by the YouTube.
Yeah,
there are some of the terms and conditions, so you will
there are only 2 to 3
those things.
But Instagram doesn't have any terms and conditions for a creator.
So that's why it is more feasible and convenient for the influencer to earn money by the social
so tell me, how do Instagrammers earn money?
By the advertisements.
Yeah, by the advertisement, and every Instagrammer doesn't get advertisement. There are so many of the creators which doesn't get. But if I talk about YouTube, so YouTube, like every person can earn money.
But it is not. It is about the authenticity. Like if you upload any kind of video and you are not authentic, your content is not authentic, so how will you get paid by the YouTube too?
And Instagram Reels are just, they have, like, they are very useless reels. It has no sense. Like Krishka Sonega, these kinds of trend like every day comes on Instagram and on YouTube. The real knowledge is on YouTube. If you want to get something real knowledge like podcast and all, these are on YouTube. You can watch full form videos.
But real news comes first on Instagram. Real news, if you want to watch, so they will provide you.
Okay.
Because it is very fast.
Okay.
After that, what has happened, it comes on YouTube. That's why
it is very fast, and the news is like very not complete news. It is very misinformation.
Headlines. No.
Get on Instagram. If you want proper knowledge and full knowledge about a particular thing, you must choose YouTube for that. On YouTube, you can learn everything, but Instagram, you cannot. If you want to learn a specific skill like coding or English language or anything else, you will visit first YouTube, not Instagram, for learning those things.
It is about the content creator. Like if you go on YouTube and you don't find any kind of right content creator for that thing, so how will you generate the skill? That generate will be not good for you. It is about who is making. But on social media, on Instagram, if I talk about, so you can get any kind of information in the blink of an eye, and that will be authentic, because many of the
you cannot get any kind of information in blink of an eye on Instagram, because you cannot search any kind of information on Instagram,
you can
you can search on YouTube. On Instagram, you can search only creator, but you cannot search any specific content, whatever you want to see.
We can. Maybe you don't know how to use it. There is an AI feature also on Instagram. If you type any kind of thing, like any prompt, if you give that, so AI will generate such kind of it will find such
AI
kind of
will generate, you said.
So yeah, it is a feature which is not in YouTube. That's why
that doesn't matter. Gemini has.
So Gemini is not YouTube. We are talking about YouTube.
Okay, it is a part of YouTube.
Okay,
okay. Where we agree. Okay.
That's
but if you want authentic news, you will visit first YouTube, not Instagram.
How can you say that YouTube provides authentic news?
YouTube provides authentic news.
The media
if you want to watch any podcast,
I tell you. The media houses which provides news, they are also on the YouTube too, and you can see the condition of media houses in our country. They do not provide authentic. They provide some of the polished news. But on Instagram, you will find that there are lots of channels, there are lots of pages which provides authentic, and they do not work under any kind of pressure.
Okay. On Instagram, there are so many of the creators and there are so many of the journalists who like post news, but at the end of the video, they say just subscribe our YouTube channel. If you want a full news about this story, why do they say that? If
I can also say that there are lots of the YouTubers who say that if you want to follow us, so you can also follow.
Yeah, you can also follow. But on Instagram, what do they say? On Instagram, what do they say? If you want full knowledge about a particular content, you must visit our YouTube channel.
Who wants full knowledge about any content? Everybody wants the news in the brief.
But there are so many of the people who wants.
Nobody knows what's going on
your
properly.
Team, nobody has as well.
Your team doesn't look at their face.
Neither do they want.
Okay,
nobody has.
Naman. I want to give my opinion.
Okay.
So in my perspective, YouTube is better. YouTube is best And if you upload the video on YouTube, so you will be able to earn more than Instagram. Like you will, if you upload a short video, so 1 year short video, you will earn only 500 and 400 from YouTube. And if you upload on Instagram, so you will not be able to get nothing, because of you will have to, like if you upload a video on your Instagram, so you will have to collab with someone like brand. If you, then they will give you they will give you their product and money. That's it.
Who will have to counter?
Okay, so as you have mentioned about this kind of thing, so I really do not think that haze anything like this, because if I talk about YouTube, so who wants to use? It is always elders and our parents. But if we talk about right now today's generation, Gen Z, so we need to aware. So we watch Instagram videos and we get awareness.
So first of all, as you talked about elder and younger, they watch more than youngest. Yes. So first of all, your YouTube is better than Instagram, because you can see that you will be able to watch the shorts, and by which you will get knowledge, and you will not be able to find on YouTube, on Instagram. Sorry.
Okay, you has mentioned about on Instagram at all. I would aspire to tell you one thing is that if you watch, so it is obvious. We all know that right now YouTube is good for nothing for us. And you have mentioned about shorts at all. So first we watch, even though we watch Instagram and we come to know about each thing from Instagram. So
YouTube is everything for us. You can take example of Saurabh Joshi. How much he earns? You will not be able to earn more than.
Okay, you have mentioned about Saurabh Joshi at all. I would aspire to mention here are a lot of teachers, and you can have an example of Dhruv Rathi at all.
He is earning from the YouTube.
Listen to me. Each influencer, each person has his or her Instagram account, but they don't have their YouTube account, because they know the benefits of Instagram.
They have YouTube account, they don't have Instagram account. You don't know about
You
it.
can have an example of even our Prime Minister, he has, but he doesn't have any kind of YouTube channel at all.
So what we have to do of Prime Minister if everyone is on YouTube?
I mean to say that they are in YouTube, but if you watch their videos, so 1 year, 5 years old. But if I talk about Instagram, so you get recently news and recently views.
So first of all, who talked about if you want to get knowledge from the Instagram, so you will in the Instagram like AI Meta, you will be able to talk to Meta. Then Meta says that you will have to watch the video which is on YouTube.
I don't think so. Here's anything like this. That's a different matter. We watch sometime. News is from. We can have an example of ChatGPT or. Okay, and if I talk about Meta at all, so I would aspire to tell you in YouTube, you can see YouTube is as it was previous right now. But if we talk about Instagram here,
it was previous. Now it is famous.
In Instagram, we can see a lot of changes.
Which type of changes?
I want to give my opinion. Okay, so first I would like to tell you that Instagram is much better than the YouTube, because in Gen Z generation no one has a time to watch full videos on YouTube. But if I talk about Instagram, everyone can watch Instagram videos because it's only 1 and 2 minutes videos. And if I talk about Gen Z vocabularies, and there is many different kind of vocabularies which we can learn by the Instagram. And if I talk about the who is getting more who are good influencer and who is getting more fame, they are from Instagram, and everyone is using Instagram. So I think Instagram is much better than YouTube.
So what are you getting by the Instagram?
By the vocabulary we are getting, by the Instagram we are getting. And if I talk about everyone is using Instagram, we can get any kind of everything we can get. If I talk about
But you can get if you operate Instagram, but by the Instagram you can't earn money. But if you operate YouTube, so you can earn money.
But by the Instagram you can get fame. By the Instagram you can be popular.
Listen, if you operate YouTube, so you can also earn fame. You can get fame.
But if I talk about Instagram, in Gen Z generation, everyone is using Instagram, and in the Instagram, everything is available. If I talk about designers, they are more popular in the Instagram. If you would like to watch any dresses, we can watch in the Instagram. And if we watch any kind of reel, we can watch in Instagram.
Okay, I would like to give you an example like Oswald sir. He operates Instagram. He has
Instagram.
32k plus followers on Instagram, but he is only getting fame. But no one is coming here for by the Instagram, and he is not telling you why I am
Okay.
coming by the Instagram. But if he operates YouTube, so he will earn money, and when he complete here 4 hours, so he will start to earn money.
If I tell you, by the Instagram sir is uploading our videos, and by that even sir and we are also getting fame. Even in the any corner, everyone says you are getting fame. You speak very good. But by the Instagram we are getting. But sir upload also in the YouTube our videos. But by that we are not getting it. Everyone sees in Instagram.
I think sir has uploaded your video on Instagram. So, but if you go here and there, so and a single person says you are getting famous by the Instagram.
Yes, we are getting. Sir is uploading our videos, and everyone is saying you are very famous. You speak very good. But by the YouTube, no one is saying. And if
Okay, I will if you operate, I would like to give my opinion. If I think Instagram is much better than YouTube is much better than Instagram, because if you operate Instagram YouTube, so by which you can study and you can collect knowledge.
by the Instagram we can also get. We
Which
can
type
also
of knowledge
study.
you can collect?
By the Instagram.
Ah.
I mentioned vocabulary we can get, and there is everyone
Suppose
wants
that
everyone
you- listen.
listen everyone would like to watch short video. Not everyone would like to more 1.5 hour videos. So I think Instagram is much better.
Suppose it is your exam tomorrow, and you have to study more. So from where you will study? Instagram and YouTube.
Instagram.
Instagram?
Yes.
I think you should study. You don't have knowledge by the Instagram. If you operate
As you are talking about that on Instagram, you can get so many things. But do you know on Instagram you can only learn that how to drive car, but on YouTube you will also come to know that how to handle the brake. Okay, what rubbish point are you talking about? I said you that everyone is using Instagram, and by that we can get fame, and we get so many things by the Instagram, and no one has that much time they can watch full videos. As you're talking about that, no one can watch full videos. So on YouTube there is also option of shorts. You can touch shorts, and you can also scroll so many. But everyone is addicted of Instagram. What about that?
Who is addicting on Instagram? No one. But,
even
on YouTube you can also learn so many. You can also get so many videos as well as so many knowledge about anything.
mention that how much what we can learn by the YouTube.
So many news at first it comes on YouTube, then the short pairs comes on Instagram.
In every app news are coming. You can't say that news are coming. You can't say that on the YouTube first come news.
But there is only one app who provides whole knowledge and full knowledge. That is only YouTube. But on Instagram they are only providing you half knowledge, which is not good.
No one wants to have full knowledge, but if I talk about main thing in the Instagram, you can get that.
Main thing they are only telling only the funny thing, that's it. But on YouTube you are gonna get the whole knowledge, as well as you can also earn and get so many silver play button, golden play button.
But still, if I talk about the who are good, who are getting fame, they are from Instagram. Everyone get fame first from the Instagram, not YouTube.
No, now let me tell you that our India is also represented for a vlogger, just like Saurav Joshi. He comes on first number of for vlogging. Second, Trigger Insan, as well as there are so many people. They are presented as YouTubers in India.
So first of all, I would like to give my point of view that what do I think about Instagram, how it is actually usable for us, because through the Instagram we all know that we can watch lots of the reels setup, we can gather lots of the information, but through the Instagram we can also communicate to people, because there is it has a global reach, as we all know, so we can communicate to any person while sitting at home. But on YouTube we can't communicate with any person because there is no option of that. If you talk about on Instagram, so there are lots of the persons from the abroad hotel, so they post lots of the reels about their why that we come to know about the culture, we come to know about the ritual at all, what kind of mentality they have. Through Instagram we get to know, not through the you can say YouTube, because each and everybody they are not posting the blog at all, because lots of they are not interested in that. But Instagram, everybody has a time to upload a single 30 seconds of video and they post it, so that's why.
Count of
So at first he talked about that on Instagram everyone can post 30-second video. So at the time if you post 40-second or 30-second videos, at that time Instagram is gonna give you nothing. But if you post that 30-second video on YouTube, so at the time you can get shorts.
Let me tell you,
you can get so many things.
let me tell you one thing. If you have 10k likes, minimum followers on Instagram, definitely you can earn through that also, because there is a Instagram is made up for you can say advertisement and communicating.
We
and
can
this
get
was what,
nothing.
let me complete. And on Instagram, we all know that there are so lots of the companies, they hire some kind of big channels, and also there are three type of channels on Instagram: a macro level, micro level, or a small level. Okay, and most of the businessmen, they hire small level of channel. Those has only 10k, like 9k of the followers. Okay, they hire them because they have local reach. They have good communication, like reach to local people. So that's why they hire them.
So many people are hired by YouTube, because do you know on YouTube if you have 10,000 subscribers and you have 4,000 watch times, at the time you can earn so many money, as well as you can go.
You can't earn lots of the money through that, because on Instagram it's actually very easy to earn money. If you talk about
Battery is down.
उससे यूज करो वो यूज कर लो भाई एक मिनट.
From YouTube, we cannot earn as so much money. So do you know Mr. Beast?
so why are you taking the only
Okay,
the big
okay.
name? If I can also take the lots of the big name here, Salman Khan, this kind of channel. They are
Salman Khan,
using-
do you think that Salman Khan earns from Instagram?
Bro, they are, if you talk about their what we call handle, those handle there is Instagram, they earn for that. If you talk about Virat Kohli, he's also earned for that.
Yeah,
There
they
are lots
earn,
of the
but
channel.
not very significantly. Do you know Farah Khan?
I know.
She made a public statement before some times. She before few days, she said she hasn't earned from Bollywood that much. She has earned from YouTube in her 2 to 3 years career from YouTube.
Let me tell you one thing. If you talk about Bollywood, in Bollywood, lots of the actors, okay, they need followers on Instagram
Right.
to go in the industry. Otherwise, they don't have entry. And it is said by lots of the producers and the directors that if
A person
you
is
have
already
fame on Instagram,
if a
it is
person is
necessary.
already an actor or actress, I don't think that he or she needs fame to
Bro,
to go in movies on
nowadays,
Instagram.
if I talk about lots of the actors, they need fame on the Instagram.
They
It
need
is
fame, but they do
compulsory
not.
for them.
The Instagram is not for
connected
that.
with Gen Z, and that's why they do regular posts. Why do Salman Khan needs the channel on Instagram? He doesn't.
Because they want to show they want to show their lifestyle. How do they live?
Salman Khan
That's
doesn't show his lifestyle. He just talk about his movies at all. There is no any kind of post. I have watched that. There he's showing the blog that yeah, I'm doing that. I'm doing that. I haven't seen that. I haven't watched that.
He does not want. He has a lot of money as well, and he does not want to earn money from YouTube, neither from Instagram as well.
Bro, what are you talking about? If you talk about Mr. Beast, as you have talked about that, so it's a very big channel. Okay,
Definitely.
and we can compare it with the Instagram's minor channels.
Yeah, because you can compare with our Instagram major channel.
I
Nobody
can
is that
compare, but
much
they
rich.
are earning
How
in
much-
lakhs. If you talk about
Okay, only in lakhs, but Mr.
okay.
Mr. Beast is earning in
Through
billions
one,
as well.
through one video, through 13 seconds of shorts, they are earning in lakhs. But if you want to earn in the group,
Okay, let me tell you the reality. How do they earn?
Let me
Every
speak, let me
creator does
speak.
not get collaborations.
Let me speak. Okay, first of all, first, if you talk about Mr. Beast, so you also know about that how much he invests on his video for earning. But on Instagram, there is only 30-second reel, and you can also adapt the trend. Okay, through that,
You are
and you can earn.
You are just saying this because you do not have any name, any big name, who become a very rich person from Instagram. That's why you are just giving a fake
Maybe if I
justification
talk
or
about
validation.
all are needy of that. So if you talk about all YouTubers, they also need fame through the
Right.
Instagram.
No, they do not
It
need
is
to fame
required.
through Instagram, because I don't think like Instagram came in it came in trend in 2021 after
Bro,
TikTok.
it is in trending for the Gen Z, and this is our youth.
Let me complete first. But YouTube was like from very ago.
Yes.
Yeah, YouTube is very old, like from 2013, 2014. People are uploading videos on YouTube. So I don't think that they need fame from Instagram. They are already famous. Ashish Chanchlani, Bhuvan Bam, Harsh Benewal, they were already famous. They do not need any kind of fame from
Still,
Instagram.
they are on the Instagram by them. Tell them the reason.
Because it's their choice. Where do they want
It is
to?
not,
But
about
they do
their
not
choice
earn
because
anything.
They are also earning through the Instagram. They also do advertise on
Okay,
Instagram.
Right.
Advertisement you get one in 2 to 3 months. But from YouTube,
Bro,
if you
it's-
upload regular
collaboration is
videos, so
about
on
on
21st to
Instagram.
26th, okay, let me complete first. On 21st to 26th of the date, you get like your salary in your bank account. And a collaboration also happens on YouTube as well. So many of the brands collab with YouTube
Yeah, but
YouTubers.
they same also collab with on Instagram. If you talk about
But Instagram has
what's
only
the
one way
benefit-
of earning.
What's the main benefit? Instagram you can handle side by side doing any kind of job, any kind of other work. But YouTube you can't handle. You
You
need
can
all
handle.
efforts in that.
How can you say that you cannot handle YouTube with
So I wanna give my opinion that why YouTube is good, because in YouTube is friendly. Kids can watch anything in YouTube, but Instagram is not kids friendly. There are so many videos which kids can't watch. And as he has talked about communication, so by the communication Nibba trend has hyped from the Instagram.
So I think that is the main reason of communication is WhatsApp maybe. By the nibble, because there is privacy on Instagram. I don't think there is too much privacy because anybody can get your ID.
So that is the thing, na, they are becoming nibba by the
So it is the fault of Instagram. I don't consider that it's the fault of Instagram.
Why it's not a fault
Because
of
you are
Instagram?
watching some of the reels.
Listen, whenever you go on YouTube, you can't talk to anyone. But if you go Instagram, I like this one girl, so I can message her and she can't come
Give me the one answer.
around
How
me.
do you aware about that there is a nibble trend is going on? Because of Instagram.
No, because of the YouTube, because they are telling demerits of Instagram in the
They
YouTube.
don't tell about the demands of Instagram.
They
They tell
tell.
about the demands of YouTube. It is different.
If you see Instagram, so they don't tell their demerits, but if you go YouTube, so they tell their demerits
Because
also, and
maybe
Instagram.
YouTube
So
is not that much hype. That's why it wants to tell us like made.
as you have talked about Gen Z, so Gen Z are hyping Instagram, but YouTube, from YouTube, Instagram became.
Okay, you are talking about the nibba nibbi and all. And it is a very shit kind of point. You are.
Why shit
I
kind
tell
of
you,
point?
because
Okay.
on Instagram there is a feature which is called privacy. You can private your account and nobody will
Also,
know.
as it, okay,
No chat.
okay. If someone, if everyone is switch their account into private, so how can we communicate with them? As he has talked about that,
You
we
can. If
Arey,
I allow you-
we can't. No, we can't.
Start to listen first. If you follow me, so and then I will give you, follow back, so we can also communicate.
Right.
We don't need
Okay,
anyone.
so there are so many that they can also hack your account. Okay.
YouTube can also be hacked.
Yeah.
So
Now, what's your
why
supporting
will I
argument?
hack my account?
Why will I hack my account?
Listen, that if you follow and by the mistake I followed back you, so you will what do you call? You will bother me.
So it is not the fault of
for-
Instagram. It is fault of you that you are.
Why? It's
Because by
also
mistake of
okay.
yours.
It's also a fault of the Instagram. Why did they make Instagram?
You have done the by mistake. That's what it is.
I don't
your
know
fault.
why.
Are you in your senses?
Yeah, I am
Are you
in
able
my
to
sense.
are you able to remember what you have just said?
Yeah.
That by mistake, if I allow you to follow my
If
channel-
someone assume na, if someone followed back you, so what will you do?
if I know that person, then I will allow that person to have me on Instagram. Otherwise, there is no way to be with me on Instagram.
So tell me.
Now it's time for Amit.
Okay, as you said, the kids are operating using YouTube. So that's the fault of YouTube that many of the children who are in just 5 years old, 6 years old, they are just scrolling shorts while eating food, while doing
Okay.
anything. So you can see the data of Google. Okay, you will get the kids who are in just primary schools. They are just uploading videos on YouTube and they are operating YouTube shorts.
Okay, at least they are not watching Instagram. By the Instagram, they are watching 19 minutes 34 seconds. They are watching Pal Gaming Cameraman.
It's up to you that you
Why
are
it's
watching.
up to me? You know, getting viral is a piece of cake.
Yeah.
If a reel get viral, so it can also come in our feed, because viral reel comes in every feed. It doesn't mean that how you watch reel. How
But on Instagram, you will get the option by which you can block the videos. Okay, there are the options on Instagram. You can.
we can block, but after some time it will also come.
Why will it
And
come?
why will not it come?
Why will it not come? Definitely, it will not come if you
if you don't like that one video, so you can just reject that one video.
Okay,
Those kind of videos.
if I reject, but after that, a new trend came. So
How will I-
trend will come continuously.
If
but
your
we can't-
algorithm is
Arey,
like that, so how will you-
we can't block the future viral reel. We can only block the present reel, but we can't block the.
If
future
your
reel.
algorithm is like that, if you want to general knowledge video, so you can get. If you are watching all the videos of knowledge,
Arey,
so
watching
definitely
MMS of
algorithm
wait,
will be support.
watching MMS of while gaming it is a general
Who is
knowledge.
watching? You are watching.
I am not watching. You are watching. Okay.
I am not watching.
Arey, do you know why the watching their mentality is as much bad that they are masturbating at times. Okay.
Okay, bro. If you are saying that we are getting the video, listen, guys. Let it be. Okay, if we are watching the MMS on Instagram, so we are not watching MMS
Arey,
on
tell me-
Instagram.
tell
We are
me
just
the-
getting the
the-
source
oh,
while visual.
They are showing that
With
why
the-
Instagram.
let
So
me
tell me
complete,
the
yaar.
demerits of YouTube. Tell me the
The one
demerits
is in
of.
my code. Let me speak.
Okay,
Okay.
speak.
If you are watching the reels on Instagram, so you will get only visual blur kind of reels. Okay, but on YouTube you can get old movies. Okay, where you will see the without close videos. You can watch on YouTube too. Okay. Oh, because
Okay.
because you can get if you see after 1 and 2 minutes you will get this kind of videos, adult
Okay.
videos on Instagram.
Now all are Gen Z. Okay. All are scrolling. All are scrolling. Instagram.
Himanshu, how he wants to compliment.
Okay, like he was to give, like he was
have
to
mic in between.
okay, okay, like he was to give, like he was to give the, like he was to give out the old movies and all, like the people without the clothes, and yeah, that was barrier, and now I know that was barrier, and that was maybe that was the whole. But if I over the today's generation, now what are they? What girls are doing? They just dancing with short clothes.
So what happened? The environment has changed. Okay, so girls should wear the short skirts. If you have any problems, so just don't make wear your short skirts with your sisters. Okay, if you want, so you can both. If your girl is if your sister is earning on Instagram, so what happened? If sister is you're getting fame by the sister, you are also getting fame.
Okay.
It's your fault. It's your sister fault that which kind of videos your sister is uploading.
And so may I give you some?
Yeah, you should.
Okay, like in my perspective, YouTube is best at. Why am I saying? Like having example of the if we get any kind of the problem in any app, we just search on a YouTube why it is happening. How can we?
Why should we search on YouTube? We know that we can get the whole knowledge recently knowledge on Instagram. Okay, in just a jiffy, in just a second. And why which we have a tool on Instagram by which we can research about. If you know the AI has come on Instagram too. If you get some
He
reels.
wants to compliment.
So right now you said that if your sister is uploading reels by wearing short clothes, so it is good that your sister is getting fame, but you don't know which kind of wait. Getting famous is easy, but getting respect is not easy. Everyone
So I told that if your sister is wearing short clothes and
Yes.
uploading those dance kind of videos, so just say to your sister, just wear a full clothes and make.
So that is the
videos.
trend of Instagram. That's
It's
what
not-
I want to prove.
Means you are watching those kind of reels which where the girls is wearing only short dresses, but you can't watch those kind of influencer
Yes.
who is becoming, because if you know the Instagram, so many of the influencer they are becoming by the Instagram. Okay, if you want to go to Big Boss,
Yes.
so definitely you need a
Yes.
1 million follower, lakhs follower,
I
by
believe
which you can
that-
get the chance.
Half knowledge is dangerous for the health.
I don't have
Also-
half
wait,
knowledge.
Let me speak. I didn't interrupt you. You don't need half knowledge. You don't need knowledge. So I think that on the Instagram you only get half knowledge because there are only 30-40 seconds video. But if you go on YouTube, then you can find 21 minutes video, 25 minutes video, which will tell you in the detail.
Why should I watch that 13 minutes video, 14 minutes video if I have a single video of 30 seconds? Why which if I got the topic by the 30-second video, so I can just talk
Yes,
with the
yes.
AI in just 5 minutes. I can.
I want to give opinion.
Okay.
Have mic.
So, sir, in my opinion, Instagram is backbone for everyone. If it's about any elder person, if it's about any younger, if they want to get fame and respect and money, so it's easy to get fame and views and followers on Instagram. How? Let me tell you, because everyone operates here Instagram, and everyone has their account, and you can say anything account on Instagram. If I talk about YouTube, so no one has. I'm not talking about everyone. Only some people, they have their channel who want to grow, but it is hard to get views and subscribers on YouTube, because no one wants to watch your account if you are a beginner, because beginner no one notices that. But if you are on the Instagram, if you are a beginner, so of course we're not in the jiffy, you can get views, you can get your followers too. Everyone is free on the Instagram. And if I talk about some of the creators, there are many of the creators who make their videos on Instagram. By that, they are getting collaborations and advertisement. And if it's about any beginner person who wants to start their startup, so it is easy to get collaborations if their video is like that. So I think so Instagram is more better than YouTube. That's all.
Jatin.
Speak, Jatin. Yeah, Jatin, speak.
So, could you please pardon your point?
You have to counter or give your opinion.
I want to give my opinion.
Give your
Like,
opinion.
in my point of view, like Instagram, YouTube is much better than Instagram, because on Instagram you can if you have 100k followers, so you are not gonna earn on Instagram. If you have 100k subscriber on YouTube, so you can earn. And if I talk about the content, if you have local content on Instagram, so no, you are not gonna earn. If you have local content on YouTube, so you can earn. And if you have to be influencer on Instagram, so you have to be influencer 1 million for you have to be, but you have 1 million follower to earn money.
You should have.
The point which is mentioned by this team again and again, that they are saying we just earned by YouTube. It's not till earning. It's not enough. The fame which we guys get, and it's also depend on craze and majority. What we guys use nowadays, Instagram. And I have an example of this academy, that how did we get fame? As no, and they guys are talking about YouTube and something else. How people they know about you, that Shiv, they speak in English by the Instagram. Who uses YouTube nowadays? Nobody. And you guys talk about that we see the whole detail on YouTube. We are so lethargic kind of person nowadays that nobody try to use that. Nobody try to go over there on YouTube. That's why I prefer Instagram is far better than YouTube, because everybody uses that. Even then our mother, father, they are making IDs on Instagram, and they are trying to use that. Nobody uses YouTube nowadays.
Okay. So first of all, you mentioned that your team is keeping on repeating our
Yeah.
same point. So does your team as well. They are saying that we do collaboration on Instagram, and we do collaborations on Instagram with very small creators. I think a crew of your team members is very loose, because you are not getting a very simple thing on YouTube. Instagram fame is very temporary. If you get fame today, tomorrow I don't think that you will have fame. I admit that on YouTube, YouTube needs your hard work. If you pay hard work to the YouTube, definitely your
If you pay, wait,
Okay.
he has talked about if you pay, who pays? Nobody. It's not easy to
it
get
doesn't mean
famous
if you
on
are not
YouTube,
doing
but
that,
if you get
it
any
doesn't
wait.
mean-
Now let me tell you, as
I'm
you
not
have
here to
paid.
let you speak. First of all,
Be shut now.
why do I be shut?
Zip it. You know what?
Shut up. I'm not here to listen you.
What the point which had mentioned by you, that you made us count most of the biggest people or YouTubers. Why? How they wait? Let me tell you.
Make me
How
one
did
big
they get
person.
famous?
Make me
How
one
did
big person
you
from
guys talked about
Instagram.
Saurabh
I
Joshi
can
and
count
something
you-
else?
I can count
How?
so
Wait,
many.
let me tell you.
Let me count one at least.
When did they get famous? When there was a lockdown. Now, if I talk about it's not easy to get famous. Now, have an example of us. We are doing hard work, and still we haven't gotten most of the subscribers and something else. But in Instagram, people, those are strangers, they tell us, oh, I saw you on Instagram, you speak English, or you speak too good. We are getting famous because of Instagram, not YouTube.
Okay. So tomorrow your fame will be vanished.
Oh,
Instagram
really?
fame-
If you think that
Okay,
on YouTube,
Okay.
yeah.
You mentioned we gave an example of Mr. Beast. You make me count only one person from
No,
Instagram
not
who became
Mr.
very
Beast.
famous.
I have talked about Saurabh
I'm
Joshi and
saying-
whatever you have talked
I'm
about.
saying make
Yeah.
me count one person who became very famous from Instagram.
There are most of the people, they are famous
Make me
by
count
the
one. Make me
Instagram.
count one.
They are an infinity.
Make me
I
count one.
cannot even make you count.
Because
I
you don't know
cannot
any.
even make you
Because
count.
You don't know any.
Jatin wants to speak.
Nikhil.
Okay, sorry.
So I would like to counter, right? Suppose if you collab someone on Instagram, so how much money you can earn by the Instagram?
Except money, what's the point here? Money, 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 and what's the matter the money of here? There are most of the merits of Instagram. Why don't you talk about that?
Okay.
Yeah.
I would like to give a knowledgeable example. Suppose if you go somewhere but you don't know what that one place and where we have to go, and we have to collect knowledge about that one place. So we may collect by the YouTube.
There is Google as well. Don't you know about that?
So then you will search on the Google, they will send you on YouTube.
Oh, really? They will say no.
I will show you proof. You may search it.
First, let me tell you what happened when you try to search on Google, and if you know what to click on the link, there's no way they will send on YouTube. That most of the link, and if you search, they're gonna give so many knowledge, and you can know about that where you have to go and where you have not to go. What?
Okay. Naman.
So as you talked about, everyone is talking about what will you do?
Yeah.
Earning.
Yeah.
So what will we do of fame if we are not able to earn money?
You know, wait, let me tell you now, if you are richest person and nobody knows you, if you go from there, nobody will be watching. But if you are famous, you have nothing in your pockets, everyone will see you that, oh, she is very famous on that
If
thing.
I am rich, so no one can
Yeah.
speak in front of me. So what is
How
that?
will they know that you are rich, man? How will they know?
Because of I will show my.
What?
Yes.
That you are wearing? Oh, wow. By wearing the coat and pant for purchasing somewhere else, you will look good and something else.
Not only coat and pant, we have also house.
You know,
car.
famous is that kind. In this generation, we need to famous. When if you are famous and nothing is, even you are wearing very bad
Okay,
clothes, you have
let's-
nothing in your
let's
pockets.
take a-
Everybody will say to you and come to you. Can I click picture with you?
Let's take example of Osbert sir.
Yeah, have an
He is
example.
famous on Instagram.
Yeah.
Why he comes in YouTube? Because of earning
Because
money.
no.
Yes.
And why he's coming on YouTube nowadays? Because of Instagram. Because he has gotten lots of fame on Instagram. That's why he's coming.
That's why he came in on YouTube.
Because he has gotten much famous. He's much famous.
He's much famous.
Yeah.
He's not able to earn by the Instagram. That's why no one is following.
It's not about earning and something else. Why do you? Is there no any kind of other sources by earning?
Okay. I think still there are many creators who have created their IDs and they are famous on Instagram. How? If I talk about Dhruv Rathi, if I talk about your Mr. Beast, he has also an account on Instagram and is getting fame on Instagram. How? Because this is, you can say, an application to get more famous than YouTube. Speak.
So first of all, if you are talking about Instagram, so you will know that every Instagrammer who are operating Instagram,
Yes.
their account is day by day are blocking and hacked. It is not happening on YouTube. You will not be able to hack on YouTube because of first of all, if you have the YouTube, so you will have to hack on your Gmail. Then you will be able to hack.
I think so. Somewhere or the other, it is not a problem of Instagram. It is a problem of your account. If something wrong would have gone on your account, then it means that your account will be hacked. And you can say
It is
blocked
not photo-
like that.
Now it's time for challenges.
So, Joe, you are asking for a create influencer name that tell me one. I would like to tell that it is Speed. That he has, he has
Pardon?
Speed.
Speed. Okay. I do not know him. I think he's not.
You don't want to know it, that's why you don't know.
Yeah. Maybe because he's not that much popular like Mr.
Because
Beast
you
or
don't know.
something.
Many of the things which you don't know, it doesn't mean that it's not popular. Because you don't know it is.
But he is not at the same level of Mr. Beast, I think.
He has. Even though
He is.
Mr. Beast invites him.
Correct.
On his YouTube channel and his games on.
Because it's
Many
Mr.
of
Beast's
the
big heart, that's why he invites top creators.
I think Mr. Beast is the godfather for you. That's why you are talking about Mr. Beast.
If he would be godfather for me, then why would I be standing in front of you?
Go and home then. So first thing another thing I would like to tell you about that on Instagram you will find every celebrity, but on YouTube you will find nothing. Third thing that on Instagram you can earn by posting your any single image if you are a celebrity. But on
I
YouTube,
think he is in delusion. You cannot
maybe.
earn money from posting a post on Instagram.
listen carefully. I said if you are celebrity, you are
If
not.
you're
That's why you
celebrity,
cannot.
It doesn't matter. If you're a
Third
celebrity
point.
or if you're a non-celebrity.
On every post you get money in dollars. Maybe you are not aware. You don't
Maybe
use
you are
Instagram.
over-aware. That's why you think that.
Go and search. Third point. On YouTube you will find that there are lots of copyright issues. If you use any kind of clip of even 5 seconds, so you will get copyright from those companies and organizations. That's why somewhere or other it is not right for the content creator, those who are small on YouTube, that they cannot
I
even
think
have a clip.
copyright issue is very correct. If I have made a video and somebody is using it without my permission or without my consent, so that is totally wrong.
I
And
tell you,
YouTube must,
yeah.
give them
Please
copyright.
carry on.
And let me give more points. So many of the students study from YouTube as well, but from Instagram, no, I don't think that any student studies like board students.
You know,
and
you cannot solve the science question from the math book. So both are different. So don't try to compare that.
But
Education
okay,
you
okay.
need.
If I gave a strong point, then you will say you can
social media is
social.
Social media is not for getting education.
But
it is not its job.
No,
the job of social media is to provide information about the globe.
Yeah, so
what is going on.
education is also information. If any teacher is teaching me, so that it is also information, but it is theoretical information, you must say.
It is not about that.
Okay, if you are not able to prove your point, so you won't say that.
So in my perspective, I think Instagram is good. And if I talk about now, sir has purchased a blue check. Sir has purchased a blue tick, and blue tick he can show that his account is original. But if I talk about in the YouTube, you can't show that your account is original. And if I talk about in the Instagram, as somebody mentioned about that, if the Instagram anyone can show you, if there is also option, you can also get private your account. If you don't want to show anyone to your video, you cannot. And but if I talk about in YouTube, anyone can show your video if you would not like to show, or you would like to show, but anyone can show your video. So Instagram is not good. Yeah. And Shiv, counter. As you talked about by the Instagram, as the girls wear short dress, they are not getting respect. If you have fame, so you can obviously get fame by the Instagram.
Okay, give it to Paji. Paji wants to speak.
Okay, so as I want to counter Joy, this point. So as you were talking about that, there is not a single celebrity that they are earning through the post. Let me tell you the name. There is a Rock. So he earns on his single post 10 crore rupees. Okay, on Instagram.
So maybe in that post, he is advertising any brand. He is wearing any brand
Without
t-shirt,
any brand.
and
His presence matters on Instagram. That's why his earning goes. Instagram company, they provide the celebrity money for being on the Instagram. Do you know?
okay. Only few celebrities they can choose, but on
Not
YouTube,
few,
this
all
is not.
celebrity. If you are
Okay, all
celebrity, you are in the
celebrities.
category that you can earn.
Okay, except celebrities.
Extra celebrity, those that have collaboration of ads, advertisement,
And
brands and all.
everybody cannot get ads as
Let me
well.
tell you one,
It's
one
very
thing.
hard to get
It's very
advertisements.
easy nowadays. Viraling your videos or very easy because you have to just go with trend and you can get viral after that, and you can earn also the followers through that. And let me tell you one
And
thing.
Instagram fame is, I have
let
already
me
said
speak,
that
let me speak.
Instagram fame is very temporary.
Let me tell you one thing. Na, it's in a temporary fame you are earning in the lakhs. How? Let me tell you. If you have 10K followers, a single brand will collab
Once you
with
will earn lakh, and for the rest of
$10,000.
your life, you will earn nothing from Instagram.
Let me tell you, for $10,000 in a year, they will collab with you a single brand. You can collect, you can have lots of the brand.
This situation
think how
happens
much
with
money you
very
can earn.
few creators,
As a
not with
beginner.
every creator on Instagram. No, I don't think that every creator of Instagram is getting advertisements and getting brand
And I don't think
collaborations
so.
and
Every
earning
channel
in
on the YouTube,
10K
they are
dollars
earning-
and 100K dollars.
I don't
But
think so.
on YouTube, if you have if your channel is monetized, so definitely will earn. Whether you
How much? How much will you earn?
It depends on your views.
10,000
It depends-
rupees. It is enough for you.
It
In a
depends on
month,
it.
in a year.
Okay. Now, Krish. So, in my opinion, YouTube is best because there are lots of teachers. They are teaching by YouTube, and there are also lots of students. They are studying by YouTube, and you cannot study from Instagram, and you cannot learn. You cannot learn by Instagram in 30-second reel. And when we talk about YouTube, so it is more valuable comparison to Instagram because it is already installed in mobile phones. And when we talk about Instagram, so we have to install.
Okay, so as he was mentioning the point that you can't learn from the Instagram, so let me tell you, there are lots of the English speaker. If you talk about, they are learning vocabs on the Instagram. And as you were mentioning that you can get knowledge because you need a detailed video in that. So knowledge doesn't depend on the time. It depends on the fact for how much longer it is. In 30 seconds, you can also give the knowledge. Let me tell you the example. There is a word pioneer. It means the person who's always come on the first. Okay. So now I had given them knowledge. It is only in 10 seconds. So knowledge doesn't depend on time.
All things are not same, but there are also lots of board students. They are studying and they cannot learn they cannot learn in 30 seconds.
For board students, there are lots of the applications. They can go there. They can study there with the well qualified
So
teachers.
why there are lots of teachers? They are on Instagram. They are saying must visit if you wanna full knowledge. So must visit our YouTube channel.
Because they want fame through the Instagram. That's why they are on the Instagram. Otherwise, they can't get.
Because
They
you
can't
know,
get.
and you are
subscribers.
saying about the paid and also they paid celebrities. So what about the normal people? There are also lots of people. They have millions of followers, but they Instagram is not paying them.
Normal people, they use Instagram for communicating, for talking to their relatives or their friends. Okay, that's why they are not getting money. If they do hard work, they will also get.
If they have 1 million followers, so they are not they are famous, but still Instagram is not paying.
Those have 1 million followers, so they are not full. They all are earning then. Give me the
So
simple
they all are
example.
earning because of advertisement. But when we talk about YouTube, so they are earning. There are two ways of earning. When we talk about they can get paid by advertisement too and salary too.
Salary, what kind of salary are you talking about?
Go and take mine.
So in my book, I think that YouTube is better than Instagram because if you see anything, in our India there is unemployment and there are so many people who are free at their home, so they can also make their vlog and they can earn money through that. And second thing is that if you see that as compared to if we compare YouTube versus Instagram, so if you upload one video, so as much money you will not get from Instagram, but you will get from YouTube. Third thing, if you want to get education, so there are so many teachers like Khan sir, physics wala, there are so many that you can get education. Fourth thing, and all vulgar things are started from the what we call Instagram. If you see all things like Krish Khan, Sunega, there are so many things that started from the Instagram. This is my point.
Those who haven't spoken from this thing, Abdul, Anushka, Abdul.
Where's Mike? So as he has talked about Krish ka Gana at all, so for your kind information, let me tell you the whole song was uploaded first on YouTube. It has made a trend. It has made trend after watching the videos on YouTube, not directly on the Instagram.
But I think that you haven't searched all things about the Instagram. If you see that there are so many videos like Nibba Nibbi, like they are saying that if you want to see us together, so send red art, and if you don't want to see us together, so send
As we have talked about Nibba Nibbi, do you know by the Instagram we can get fame. That's why they are getting fame. They are trying to get fame.
getting fame is good, but getting fame in bad things, it's bad.
Which kind of bad things they are getting?
If you see,
Okay, by saying sand red hat and black hat, are they getting the bad fame? No, they are not getting.
No, what about their education? They are doing this kind of
It
thing.
depends. If I make your video, would you not study? Would you stop studying if you make your video? Would you stop studying? No, you would study about that. You would study. You would not study. You would not stop making your video studying. You would make video, but you would not close your studies at all. You would study.
But I don't think that they focus on that if you want to see us together with their what we call it.
So it is up to your mind.
It's
Your
not,
mind is getting distracted by that. By the YouTube, you are learning a lot of.
but
things.
you will not see this kind of things on YouTube. You will think
Which kind of
oh,
things?
no,
Let me tell you.
What?
A 5 years old kid, he is running while eating food. His father, played a song on YouTube. He just ran away. He just left his food, came, and while he was dancing, he just left his food. A lot of children, they are eating food while watching YouTube videos. What about that? But eyes are getting weak.
Okay, still we are watching good things, but we
Yeah,
are not
they are watching good
but
things.
we are not
Me too,
watching bad
They are
things.
I think every bad video start from Instagram because now you can see Halkure. This kind of the things are very viral on Instagram.
which kind of bad thing it is?
Let me. And you know what to do? They generate a AI video of any kind of celebrity and they male celebrity and female celebrity and they make a AI connection with them and they upload on the Instagram. This kind of
Let me
things
tell
viral
you,
on the Instagram.
First of all, it is a fault of our technology.
Yes.
It is not a fault of Instagram. The videos is being made by the social media.
Yes.
It is being uploaded on Instagram, but it is being made by the AI. So it is a fault of our system, not the fault of Instagram.
It is the fault of AI because everyone comes
It
on
is the fault of AI. It is the fault of AI. It is not.
Wait. It is the fault of AI, but Instagram is the fault because let me tell you why. Because whenever there is a bad video, so first everyone uploads on the Instagram because they know most of the viewers of
Okay,
Instagram
if I
they only
upload-
want bad videos.
If I upload, would you watch?
Eh?
If I upload a
But I
bad
don't
video,
use
would you watch?
Instagram. Sorry, I'm supportive of YouTube.
Okay. Would you watch? I said.
Right now I said.
Ma'am, I didn't ask you. Who is
Cow is
supporting
not
you?
about it.
Let me tell you. I didn't ask you whom you are supporting. I have just said that if I upload bad video, would you watch? No, you would not watch.
I don't have Instagram in my phone. How will I watch it?
You don't have?
Huh?
You don't have
Do you have,
it?
do you have YouTube? Wait. Do you have YouTube?
I have
on phone?
YouTube, I have Instagram.
So use it. Sit down.
I'm
Support
using Instagram.
Huh?
I'm using Instagram.
So you use YouTube too.
Why?
Why? I'm saying why.
Who the hell are you?
Who the hell? So-
Black Moon?
Out of context.
What contract? What
Who walked
about
on
Let
it?
me tell you. What? Are you visible in night?
I'm not visible. If
Yeah,
you
he's
do
not
something
visible
that
yet.
commands the light, I will tell you, but it's not.
Oh.
So I would like to now in the night I will tell you. But as you were saying, I operate Instagram. You operate Instagram. But are you collecting via Instagram?
Nothing.
Nothing.
What I okay.
Listen.
You
Listen.
YouTube.
If you try to operate, if you try to make video on YouTube, so you may collect views and you may collect money, which you are not being able to collect via Instagram.
It is not a piece of cake. So if you upload today, if you upload a video today, you will get tomorrow money. It is not a fame. It is not a piece of cake. You are also uploading video.
Okay, I would like to.
You are getting views.
I make video by on Instagram, and we are
Why?
not being able
This
to
is a
collect
very
as
fame.
much views
This is
by
a very
Instagram.
fame.
And
This is a very
listen
fame.
first. And if we upload YouTube, if we upload video on YouTube, so we may collect. And if we
Why do
would
you
have
upload
a-
on Instagram?
and
Upload
if
on YouTube.
If we would have a 45 with only 1,000 subscriber on YouTube, so we may collect money.
Okay, it doesn't depend on subscriber. It depends on monetization. It depends on views. It doesn't only depend on the subscriber that you will get views. You will get money by your subscriber.
Ovo is raising for a long time. Let me give it time.
Battery.
As you said that by everyone is employment in the India.
Take mic. Don't you know the room?
Give her the mic.
It's
There is a battery in it.
Okay. As you said that in the India, everyone there is no employment, so everyone employment. So everyone is influencer. They are making videos in the YouTube. First of all, if you are making your videos in the YouTube, so first you have to select a location, and all this stuff you have to select in your house. You can't make a video, and in the one day you can't earn the money by
So as you said that you cannot make video in your home at your home. So don't you know what Saurav Joshi, he makes a home blog, but here you can see the income of it.
he used to make. Now
he also makes a home.
but the
blog.
view is good. But if I talk about in everywhere, you can't make videos. If you want to get famous, if you want money in